Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan Rajya pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
MP ke Rajya Sabha jongka Bharatiya Janata Party Rakesh Seng hakakat sauterik mentau nailar arajar kat kendai ulale Jngoh kerpang ya ke Shnong Kongthong ka bahap apo ka khat ar Shnong CNRD Block East Khasi Hills District da ka thong banwat bnya halor ka jingla ban pene pensa jong ki nong Shnong jong kini ka Shnong yala ka jong ka tenrai wat la ka perthai baro khoi kan thup ru ki wei de Shnong hakini ka jala mekhlia kilaya be saka jok ban penan kam ya ka technology kat kum ka jingya jong ka por ha ka jingya kran binong pathai khobor hanong ba Shillong hadin ka jingwan Jngoh ya ka Shnong Kongthong Rakesh Seng ulaya thu ba ulale ya kendu kerpang ru ya Vice Chancellor jong ka skol ba nihu ban kentui gibor penya jong ni skol ba kan penkhano ek snat puli ka ban puli batti penya halor ka tenrai bat ka riti rustur jong ki pai ba nong Shnong ka jila uniu MP ka Rajya Sabha ulayat hu ba unsa pensngo hakmat ka yeng dor ba thawan jong ka Rajya Sabha ya kani ka jang no jong u ban penya pensa ya ka riti rustur jong ki pai ba kani ka jila mekhlia.
So I raised and I got overwhelming support from the members of parliament in Rajya Sabha. Almost all the treasury and opposition members raised their hands in support of that. I demanded, suggested and requested that we should all make efforts to get this village also in the intangible culture heritage of the UNESCO. Because this is unique and this shows that our beautiful diversity creates the Indian culture. And diversities are and thing which I said in the Rajya Sabha that technological onslaught which is eroding our community and family life. In a single room, 6 people are sitting with 6 mobiles, not talking each other, not seeing each other, and they are busy with their mobiles. So I consider technological onslaught. Meghalaya's villages, while adopting the technology, safeguarded their cultural heritage. So modernity and tradition can go together. This is the perfect example. Kongthong is a perfect example. And today, one happy news is that villagers in Kongthong were very happy with Narendra Modi ji. They requested me that kindly ask Modi ji to come here. So they made a tune for Modi ji. An elderly lady created a tune for Modi ji. Just a tune is created for the child. So she created for Modi ji just as an invitation to Modi ji. I have downloaded that. I have tweeted that tune on my Twitter handle. So this is a love and affection I have seen in the villages of Meghalaya. And I consider that this is the best thing that country should know. And I also requested the Jngoh Vice Chancellor to start a department in the university, because Jngoh is in Meghalaya, although it is a central university, it has some moral responsibility for the state. So I requested him and the court members, all were present, almost 200 members were present, that there should be a department for a study on tradition and culture of villages of Meghalaya. You are doing a study on the proposed northeast, but you have to have department because every village has some kind of unique features. That should be used as a laboratory for our cultural heritage, cultural evolution, and entire world and nation should know this. This was my vision. I spent almost 3 hours in the Kongthong village, met the small children, they welcomed me with and we all collectively sang the national anthem and with a tricolor flag in their hands. So this was a very rich experience I had in a village. Some connectivity problem was all there, so I also highlighting some roads problem there to reach there. It should be more and there should be more better connectivity. That was my objective to visit here. I am a nominated member by the Honorable President of India. So it is my moral duty to reach where people are not reaching, to and I have a special interest, or not interest, you can say emotional link, I don't know how, with Northeast. Before that I raised one question about the Manipur. The first INA headquarters in Manipur, Moiran. One is museum that government knows, but there is a headquarters, Indian National Army headquarters. Indian National Army defeated British Army. They entered. That was the first victory by the Indian forces. The BJP's stated policy is to strengthen the people, strengthen the indigenous people, protect them, protect their culture, protect their value system, protect their economic and political rights. So whatever BJP is bringing the law is to protect the common people masses. It is not against the people. It is a pro-people agenda of the party, pro-nation agenda of the party, which Home Minister has very clearly defined in the Parliament. And there has not been any fundamental contestation against it. There can be many questions on modus operandi, there can be some inaccuracies due to police, administration, judiciary. That always happens in a democratic country. Only in authoritarian country things are applied as a straight way. So in democracy you have right to point out things, but basic principle, premise on which this is based is very correct, genuine, and a party is very firm on it.